Hi, this is Das from Das Tech. Today I will discuss with you about the latest WatchOS update, that is WatchOS 11.3, which was released on last Monday, that is on 27th of January. With this WatchOS 11.3 release, Apple has released some Unity Rhythm watch faces along with some security update and some other resolved issues like health kit. Likewise, so they have resolved the issues of health kit along with the other security updates, like other things means AirPlay update, etc. They have given over there. So I'll categorically talk and discuss what is this and what is that. So first I'll come with the face gallery. Okay, so the face gallery is that, so I have to go to the Apple Watch or watch section or watch app on my iPhone. Okay, so my Apple Watch is rightly connected at the with the Apple Watch, and my Apple Watch faces are installed. These are installed watch faces on my Apple Watch currently. Okay, so now if I want to use or apply that particular watch face, I have to go to the watch face section, watch face gallery, and I have to use the utility rhythm, that means the left one, very left one, which is the new watch face has been introduced in this uh, WatchOS 11.3. Okay, so while I'll select this particular new watch face, that means the Unity Rhythm, while I'll click this one, then I'll see the change on my Apple Watch. Okay, so this is my current watch face on there. Okay, so if I select this one, just now selecting this one, and if I use the add button over here, this will be added towards my current watch face. Okay, so and I'll see over here that the Unity Rhythm watch face has been given over there and my faces, and see on my wrist it has been changed. Okay, so this is showing the current wallpaper as my watch face as this Unity Rhythm wallpaper. Now with this, what they have changed, you can customize this particular watch face like that. You can change the style, you can change the color, and you can change the watch style also. Okay, so how to change, I'll show it you. So now I'll tap on the screen, I'll tap edit and see over here, this is the Unity one. Now I can move on this particular crown to change the theme like this: red, green and yellow. Okay, these colors has been changing. Okay, now with this one I can change also, edit also the complications. Over here I can add some features like the sports exercise, I can use the battery, likewise, and along with that I can apply or add any one of the apps over there. And over here also I can use some supposed to be exercise, and over here I can add, I can add over here some battery percentage. Okay, so right now it is 83%. Now with this, what I can change its colors, etc. Okay, so this particular change has been given with this Apple Watch or WatchOS 11.3. This is the Unity Rhythm wallpaper. Okay, so now with this they have introduced some other feature update or resolved issues like the health kit. They have resolved and fixed the health kit authorization granted by the user for a data type might not be persist, resulting in app being unable to access data, and potentially prompting the user again for authorization. And the code is 134678955 FB149238881. Okay, so this has been introduced, and along with that, some other security updates they have introduced, like that in the AirPlay. The impact is an attacker on the local network may able to cause unexpected system termination or corrupt process memory. Okay, other impact may be a remote attacker may cause an unexpected app termination. On AirPlay, impact is an attacker in privileged position may be able to perform denial of service, like that. With that core audio, impact is parsing a file may lead to an unexpected app termination. Okay, these are the described in CV 202524-160 Google threat analysis, like that. Okay, so all these things has been described on their support.apple.com. Over there you can find all these things what they have fixed and what they have updated. Okay, so these are some updates has been introduced with the Apple Watch WatchOS 11.3. Along with this, they have introduced some band of Unity band. Okay, so these are available in your market. Okay, so these things has been introduced last week through Apple Watch for Apple Watch by Apple. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you very much, thank you for your time. Bye.